So we can start to maybe try and get some shapes, features inside of this cool shape here. Something like this. We can start to maybe shade this part here and see if that gives us something. Could be a different material than the rest of this shape. Maybe make something like this down here. The thing right now is that and the more I do this, the faster I will get back on track with sketching whatever it is I'm supposed to be sketching. It depends on if you have an assignment or something like that, or you're working on a project of something like a specific product. Then it might be a good idea to start off not sketching those kind of products at all to start with, because that's gonna kind of block your mind into thinking a certain way. And that's why I love this exercise so much, because it really opens up the creative part of your brain, and it helps you come up with ideas and shapes that maybe you can even combine with the shape that you're currently working on. So this is just an idea with the lines on how to really unblock your sketcher's block. It works with any kind of shapes or any organic or sharp shapes. You can do whatever you want, as long as you fill at least one paper. And if it doesn't work for you, I would love to hear about it and just hear your thoughts on it, why you think it doesn't work for you. You can write it in the discussions of this course or the community. So yeah, it works with both sharp shapes and lines and circles, as long as you just combine these and try whatever you feel is cool for you, and just see what you come up with.